Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
My name is Dailan Perry. I am the quality technician, and I also do lab projects and run the salt spray for projects. And I've been here for 5 years, and hope to continue being here for the rest of my career.
What is your favorite part of a typical day at WestChem?
Favorite part of my day is when I get to complete a project. Really, that's when I get to actually send my tangible results to customers, and then I get their feedback from the sales team, and that makes me really happy when we get a successful customer from our lab work and research and all that. So makes me happy.
What's a challenge you have faced and were proud to overcome?
Transitioning from more of a blending role to a lab role. It was a very difficult transition in the beginning because I didn't know a whole lot, but I'm learning and have learned very well over the last 3 or so years, and it's been quite the journey, and I'm excited to continue to take steps towards my future in the lab role.
Walk us through what a QC check looks like.
A QC check, so Tommy will give me a sample. Usually I will either print off a sheet or there is one already printed off, courtesy of James, because he makes the GPFs. And then I will usually, within about 10-20 minutes of receiving it, I will usually go into the lab, write down the inspection date and job number and all that good stuff, and then we start off with visuals. So we look at the appearance and the color of it, so whether it's clear, and then we have a spec for the color of it, so whether it's colorless, yellow, brown, etc. And if those pass, then we move on to pH, and we test pH with our probes, whether that be fluoride probe or just a regular pH probe that you've probably seen in the field. And then once that's passed or failed, we either fix it or we look at the density, and then from the density we look at titrations, and then whether it's a phos product or a zirconium product, we do a in-house performance test, which we usually will take a small beaker, like about 500 mils, and then heat that up to around what the industry standard is, so usually between 43 and 54 degrees Celsius, or 110 to 130 F. And then we will either trigger spray it or immersion, depending on application of what our customers would do. And if that passes, then we give it all good, and Tommy is able to pack the batch and get it ready for shipping.
What does quality mean to you and to WestChem?
Quality means to me basically making sure that every process we have is working properly. The blending is being done in a way that is satisfactory towards our end needs, and also making sure the customer is satisfied. At the end of the day, that's WestChem's #1 priority. I want to send out products that do what they're supposed to do, making everybody happy, and